Absolutely fantastic. John, Force 1, the bike. Force 2, the car. Force 3 में क्या होगा?
पता नहीं अभी let's concentrate on Force 2. I like lifting things, so
Pun intended.
I'm a pickup truck, so I like lifting things. But just to add here, I've been a fan of Sonakshi's. I've been a very big fan of Abhinay since a long time. And I think we met Abhinay before Force even happened. And I wanted to meet him, and I chatted with him. I said, can we work together? And he said, yeah. And that was it. And he left on his motorcycle. And I like him because he rides a motorcycle also. So we really hit it off. And I think, honestly, the entire energy on this film, and barring a few, goof-ups, barring very few, probably one or two, the energy's honestly been very positive. And I think when it's very positive on a set, we hope that the outcome is also very positive.
Sonakshi, final question. Do you want to do any stunt which you possibly missed out? Is there something you missed out which you want to do it again?
Absolutely not. I think I got to do a lot more than I expected to do in this film. It's like everybody's been saying, bigger, better, and I have absolutely no complaints. Usually I would be like, in fact, John was saying the other day that there was this action sequence where I was not supposed to be as involved in the scene. I was supposed to be on the side protecting somebody, but when he saw the trailer for Akira, that's when we were shooting it, he said, no, make her do the action in this scene as well. So honestly, I got a lot more that I could ask for, and I'm so happy with the way that it's turned out.
Fantastic. All right, there you are, ladies and gentlemen, the star cast and the dream team of Force 2. Ek baar zordar taaliyan. Come on, everybody. Let's give a big cheer for them. A lot of hard work, and it's turned out really nice. Now, it's time for you to ask the questions. If you've got a question, please apna haath upar kare. And I want you to make the question.
John here, towards your left. John.
आपकी आवाज इतनी बुलंद है, हमें यहाँ तक सुनाई दे रही है.
Sonakshi.
Okay, let's go one by one, all right? Sir, आप question पूछें, sir.
हाँ, जॉन सर और मीनाक्षी मैम.
Sonakshi.
Oh, Sonakshi ma'am. Sorry. I am Bollywood Web TV from USA.
Wow.
तो अभी जो
अच्छा, USA में मैं मीनाक्षी हूँ.
अरे वाह, good. तो
Good one.
सर, बॉलीवुड वेब टीवी से मैं और यूएसए फैन की तरफ से आपको इस फिल्म के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, और हिट होने के लिए बहुत बहुत हिट हुई आपकी फिल्म.
Thank
और
you.
और आपसे मैं ये कहना, सर मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ. आप हम मैम से भी और आपसे भी, आपने इस हर फिल्म में एक्शन तो किया ही है, और अभी भी एक्शन, ये फिल्म भी एक्शन वाली है, तो आपको ऐसा एक्शन करने में कितना कष्ट होता है?
नहीं, अच्छा सवाल पूछा आपने. इस फिल्म के दौरान एक सीक्वेंस जो आपने देखा, रूफ टॉप पे हम लोग एक्शन कर रहे थे, उसमें मेरा नी डैमेज हुआ. उसके बाद हंगरी में जहाँ पे हम शूट कर रहे थे, 2 नी ऑपरेशंस की हमने वहाँ पे. और अभी भी मुझे याद है, जब भी मैं गाड़ी में बैठ रहा था, विपुल जी जो है एक्चुअली यूज्ड टू लिफ्ट माय लेग एंड पुट इट इन द कार, क्योंकि मैं हिल नहीं सका उस टाइम पे. और मुंबई में आके एक और ऑपरेशन किया मैंने, तो 3 नी सर्जरीज हुए मेरे. बट आई थिंक बाय द एंड ऑफ इट, आई थिंक द रिजल्ट वाज गुड फॉर द नी ऑल्सो एंड फॉर द फिल्म ऑल्सो. सब ठीक था, लेकिन एक्शन में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है, बट इट्स फन.
John here, towards your left. In Force, we saw you lifting the bike, and now we see you lifting the car. I remember during one of the promotional events, you had even picked bike, Are there any such plans for Force 2? And is it a conscious decision on your part to, include at least one such heavy scene in the movie?
I think Force is about power. And I think it was Abhinay and Vipul's decision to continue, the character of ACP Yashvardhan. And it was the way they set honestly, it was the way Abhinay set the entire scene up. The only input I had in lifting the car was how my posture looked, very honestly. So I give credit to him for really doing this. But I think it's important that force stands for certain things. And I think what Abhinay has done very smartly in this film is not only has he got out the power element, but this film also has a fantastic story. When you see the trailer, it says dedicated to the heroes who lost their lives, and that's something we discussed. This is based actually on, if I may say so, Vipul, this is actually based on true events. So by the end of the film, you'll be shocked. So it's a lot, we're inspired by a lot of true events that we've put together. So there's a lot of credibility in the story. So I think, yes, to answer your question, it's great to show ACP Yashvardhan very powerful, but it's also important to have a good story.
Do we see you lifting the car, John? John.
जी वी वेरी प्राउड इनफैक्ट ये बहुत पहले करना चाहिए था हमें LOC की बात कर रहे हो आप जो स्पेसिफिक टारगेटेड ये हुआ आई थिंक इट वाज इट्स हाई टाइम वी रिस्पॉन्ड टू टेररिज्म वी एज अ कंट्री हम लोग बहुत ही टॉलरेंट है एंड आई थिंक इट्स हाई टाइम वी पुट अ फुट डाउन एंड वी शो व्हाट इंडिया कैन डू
Hi, John. John, too.
Gee, I'm in complete agreement with John.
We'll talk about Force too.
Sir, Force.
Hi, John. John and Abhinay over here. The opening slide of the film says that it is dedicated to unsung heroes. So, what was the thought process in adding this slide in the trailer to both of you?
The idea behind that was that when we began the story itself, the story is about, as John said rightfully, it's about our idea itself started from trying to give a standing ovation of a kind to the people who really spend their entire lives, sometimes give their entire lives in protecting us and our lives. So there are many such people. So it's not about a story of one person. It's a story of, many of such lives which have been lost by this country. And we are trying to just give them, from our side, a little bit of, a standing ovation. That's why the slide is there.
Sonakshi, Vipul sir, and one question to you. You are one of the very few producers who is bankrolling 3 back-to-back sequels. There is Force 2 followed by Commando and then Namaste England. So what do you have to say about the culture of sequels in our industry?
Namaste England is not a sequel to Namaste London. We have clarified that long back. Yes, but there are films that you make, like Force. When we were making the first one, we felt that this is a character which is so strong that we can't just let it die. This character has to tell more stories. And that is how Force 2 took birth. We are taking that character forward. We are trying to tell a more important story, as Abhinay just said and John just said, that there are so many unsung heroes. We always talk about the heroes which are well known. There are certain heroes which country celebrates, but there are so many unsung heroes who give their ultimate sacrifice of their life for the country, and nobody notices them. Their stories, their life is not noticed. While we were doing the research on the film, we came across so many of such stories, and we decided to dedicate this film to those unsung heroes. So that is how the unsung hero thing came in. And to answer your question to why John lifted car and bike, when John lifted bike in the first one, there was some reporting done in media that this is only a trick photography and John has not done it. And we were not happy about it because we were not lying. And to his credit, to come in a press conference and lift a bike is actually not an actor's job, but he did it just to show that we don't lie. We are telling what we have done. So, and now it is continuing in this film with a car lifting sequence. So yeah, so that's what it is. But about sequels, Force is the sequel that is very dear to all of us. And now rest of the sequels we'll talk as we move along.
Sonakshi, Lipika here.
Hi.
in your first film, Dabang, you said "Thappad se dar nahi lagta," and you are really justifying it now with Akira and Force 2. So can we take the privilege of calling you or tagging you as action queen?
You must.
Elaborate a little. Did you know that it will be that phrase will be so truthfully showcasing your talent in action?
Honestly, I'm very fond of action films, which is why even in the past I've been a part of a lot of action films, be it Rowdy Rathore, Dabang 2, Son of Sardar. And, I just enjoy watching it as a genre. And every time I would be a part of those films, I would always watch my heroes and be like, when am I going to get to do this cool stuff? And that happened with Akira. And I couldn't be more thankful that it's carrying forward with a film like Force 2. And I really enjoy it, like I said. So I'm in a very good space, happy space. I will work hard to retain my tag that you have given me of this action queen. And I hope that I get to do more films like this as well in the future. Actually, training, मेरी mixed martial arts की training मुझे इस film में भी काम आई to do the action in terms of character. I think character इतनी अच्छी तरह लिखा गया था और इतना intriguing और interesting character था, which is why I did the film as well.